feel like I have hair on my lip. Hello pixie friends, wavy hair babes, and my silver sisters. If you are new, my name is Carrie-Jessica. I talk a lot about hair. Used to talk a lot about the curly girl method. Now I am styling a pixie and also growing out your natural gray hair color. Sometimes I open things I've spent too much money on, and that's what we're here to do today. So it seems like my packages are getting here later and later, but I have my BoxyCharm box and my Ipsy bag. So let's open these up and see what is in them. So my profile for both of these is just about the same. I like skincare as much as I like makeup. I prefer eyeshadow palettes and blush over things like foundation. Sometimes they hit the nail on the head, sometimes they miss the mark. I have to say of the two recently, I have not really loved BoxyCharm all that much. Ipsy usually gets it fairly close for me. So, drum roll please. Let's see what we have. These Ipsy envelopes are always so sticky. So this is a really cute bag, drawstring. On the back of it, it says, "Your magic." So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is the Thrive highlighter.
Let me see. I need to put my glasses on. Put myself in the eye.
This is the Highlight Stick Illuminator, and this is in shade Aurora. This is the rose gold. Ooh, that is really pretty. So my one that I've been using is a little bit more pink. This one is a little bit more gold. This is a really pretty highlight. I will put a swatch of this one, as well as I'll show you the Miko one that I already have. The one I have is much more pink. My hands need lotion. So this is the new one that I just got in the box. It is much more of a rose gold. This is the one that I already had called Miko. I think that's how you say it. And it is a little bit more of a very fair light pink. And Thrive Cosmetics, I feel like they always hit the nail on the head. Like everything that they have, I absolutely love. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. If this helps refine the appearance, deep cleans pores, helps smooth appearance of skin texture. I do have a lot of texture to my skin. And though I don't love physical exfoliants, I don't hate them either. I prefer using a chemical exfoliant, but there is something about the feeling of a physical exfoliant that I have to admit I do like. I have to say I'm hoping to find some cute things. Oh, and this might be it. I'm hoping to find some cute things that would be good gifts for nieces. This is the Love Craft Beauty eyeshadow palette. This will be a gift for someone because these seem to be some warmer shades. Oh, actually kind of a blend. I am going to save this for a gift. I do like this, but I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes and I think that I have just the right person for this. The next thing is a lip gloss from Half Caked. It's called Double Feature. Super cute. And this says Lip Fondant and Gloss. So big enough for there to be two, so that's what I'm going to assume is going on here. And I'm thinking it's going to be a lipstick and a gloss. Yes, that's what it looks like we have here. This is really cute. It looks like a rosy mauve. Let's see here. Ooh, that's a little darker than what I tend to go for. We shall see. And the gloss, it has a really thick consistency. And it is just a really nice pink toned shimmery gloss. Okay, again, not a shade I normally throw on. I'm going to be distracted by my lips for the rest of this video because this is very different from my normal shades. So this is definitely not a color you have seen me wear. It is not something that I gravitate to. I feel very odd in darker lipstick shades. I feel like I got into my mom's makeup. Like that is the feeling that I have, which I don't even know why. My mom doesn't wear much makeup at all. But the darker color is in ASAP and the gloss is in Rich Rich. I will say the gloss is a little sticky feeling. You know what I'm talking about, like that. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Translucent Powder. I do have the Laura Mercier opened as well as a Ciate London Translucent Powder, so I definitely don't need one opened, but I do love Tarte, so I probably will get into this sooner rather than later. So that was everything in my Ipsy. I went ahead and pulled up the app on my phone so that I can tell you about these things. The Half Caked, which is the lip duo that retails at $20. I don't feel like they nailed that. The next thing is the Thrive Cosmetics, retails for $24. So just in those two items, I have already made up the cost of my bag by far. The Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, and that retails for $58. I would not pay $58 for the Dr. Brandt physical exfoliant. If I were going to spend that amount of money, I would go with Youth to the People. The Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, that is a $35 palette. By the way, if you're looking for a subscription box for gift giving, FabFitFun and Pop Sugar, those boxes are the ones to get if you want gifts for other people. And the last thing is the the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent. It is a $34 translucent powder. And overall, I have to say that I really enjoyed my Ipsy box. I guess it's a bag. Next up is BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is one of those weird subscription boxes where I was so sure that I was gonna love it, and I've been disappointed every single month that I've had it.
Ooh, things are just falling out of the box.
Okay, here we go. So first up is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. This smells. I can smell this in the box. That's how, like, fragrant it is. It smells like cologne. The smell is very strong.
It's very strong.
That was not a good way to start a subscription box unboxing from one that I have not really been thrilled with. Whew. Oh, here we go. We kind of made up for it. This is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This has chemical exfoliants, which are the AHA, the BHA, but it also has a physical exfoliant as well. I have used this in the past. I really, really enjoy it. I have used this in the past, but it had different packaging. I want to say the majority of the package used to be this color. But anyway, so this is a physical as well as a chemical exfoliant. In fact, it's pretty equal as far as being both. Whereas in the other box, this Pore Dermabrasion from Dr. Brandt is also physical and chemical exfoliant, but much higher on the physical element. So we'll see which one of these I prefer. I think it's gonna be this one. So this is from Symbiosis London. This is a tightening eye mask. I don't really usually do a lot of things that are eye specific because I have very sensitive eyes. I have dry eye, which actually means my eyes water all the time, and the skin around my eyes gets really irritated from that. So I don't normally go for eye products, but I'll give it a try. Woo! I wasn't expecting like a heavy thing. So this is from Tarte. This is the Miracle Mist Setting Spray. The Tarte Double Duty is my setting spray of choice. This one I am very excited to try. Like I said, I actually really love Tarte products, and I got Tarte in my Ipsy as well as my BoxyCharm. So I have to say it, I like that. And then last but not least, this is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bish Face. This palette will also be a gift, not because I don't like it, but it's more because these have a lot of warm tones and I am more of like a neutral leaning into cool. So from my BoxyCharm box, the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face palette is a $32 palette. The Tarte Miracle Mist Setting Spray is $23. The Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser is $40. The Symbiosis London Tightening Eye Mask is
$93.
This is $93. $93. $93. And I'm not exactly cheap when it comes to skincare, $93. Would I pay $93 for this? No, I would not. No, I would not. Sorry. And then there is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. That is $20. I would never pay for that. So of this entire box, the only thing that I am keeping for myself would be the Miracle Mist Setting Spray for $23, and I will keep the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser for myself. So that comes to $65-ish of the things that I liked. So it did cover the cost of the box, but overall, I'm still just not obsessed with the BoxyCharm box. I feel like it misses the mark every single time. So what about you? Do you love BoxyCharm? Do you love Ipsy? Have you gotten them both? Is there one that you think is better? And what do you think about this lip color? Tell me true. Do I need to just chuck it? If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button so that you can hang out with me more often. Tap that bell for notifications when I create new content. I will see you in a couple of days, but if you want to hang out with me in other places before then, you can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Pinterest. I do have a Twitter, but I think like 2 people follow me there and I never remember to tweet anything and I don't really know how to use it. If you have not already, give this video a like and leave a comment. Believe it or not, those things help my channel and I greatly appreciate them. And here we are at the exit, which you know that I don't know how to do. So, goodbye. So I'll see you later. I'll see you in a couple of days.